Ladies and gentlemen, this is another match. This is back in Newton, Iowa. The NWA clashes versus X3. Me and Blackout representing X3. And it's actually raining out, but it wasn't that bad. But it's actually raining out. I don't know if you can tell on this or not. But check this match out. The time is all messed up on the camera, somebody else's camera. But this is actually back in 2012, Newton, Iowa. It's raining. Me, Clint Evolution at the time, against Blackout Josh Guest.
Ding ding, here we go. Right now, Blackout is laying for Clint. King reverse Blackout, Alabama slam, even though we're here in Iowa. Blackout now pounding down on Clint. Listen to the shot. Clint goes down to where the sun don't shine right there on Blackout. I can't tell who's going to do a stunner by Clint. Clint now getting up. I'm seeing lightning. I am seeing lightning. That's more later. Clint now. Clint doing some damage to the lower region. You can hear the thunder. The millions of people are clapping. Come take a seat, people. Look like a diamond cutter there, or an RKO, whatever version you prefer. Ace cutter. Huge thud there from the thick legs of Blackout. Wait a minute. Over the head, and Clint goes down. And Clint going to the knees. The big man's only real weakness is his knees. Big knee there to the head of Blackout. Clint now. Set him up. What's he going to do? He's doing the Senton Bomb. Senton Bomb. Another Senton Bomb. One of the Sentons and Clint. Clinton now. Big elbow there by Clint. Wait, he's going for. That must be for the ladies right there. And another big old elbow right there.